had infidelity, you are not alone. 25% of married couples have shared with researchers that there have been situations of infidelity. And there are two kinds of infidelity. There's emotional, where somebody has an emotional relationship that's inappropriate and outside of the context that really should be reserved for you and your partner. And there's physical infidelity, which we kind of can guess what all that means, but it's having a physical relationship that really should be with just our partner. If you want to recover from infidelity, the very first thing that you'd have to do if you're the person who cheated is learn to become more transparent and open with your partner and give your partner access to your phone, to passwords, to emails. Of course, we can always continue to lie or have spare phones or continue the charade in some kind of way, but we're less likely to do that if we're open with our partner, and we're less likely to worry that our partner has been unfaithful or will continue to be unfaithful with us because they're being open and transparent. According to some researchers, there are two key components of infidelity, and one is living parallel lives and not being able to share with each other what is going on inside you. So if we want to recover from infidelity, we need to start sharing our lives more with each other, open transparency and self-disclosure, and create an ability to talk about challenges and conflict. If you want to recover from infidelity, my best piece of advice is seek professional help, because infidelity quite often is like a fruit of a tree. It's not the primary issue. The roots are the issue, and the nurturing and the soil of that relationship has other stuff going on. And quite often we need extra support to help us really unearth what that is so that we can heal and help the relationship recover. And couples do recover. There are plenty of couples who come to my office or see other counselors, therapists, coaches, and they do recover. But we know from the research and data that most couples who don't seek professional help, they will not recover. They might stay together, but recovery ultimately is we feel healed and we can talk about it, and the trust and that sense of safety and connection is back.